What's up, guys? Trade recap for the day. So we took 3 dubs on all 3 separate accounts. So the reason why is because my trade copy was low-key bugging. I think it's because of my Wi-Fi. But then I took this on my eval and then it didn't copy trade, so I had to take another trade on my second eval. Um, and as I was making my trade recap, I saw us like perfect price action kind of go through. So that's why I decided to take a trade. But coming in to the day, I was honestly very bearish. So that's why my buys and draws were bearish for the entirety of like AM session. So we're distributing from a daily fair value gap, and we do have hourly fair value gaps to tap into. So I was just waiting for that, and that's why I took longs to start the day off because we had easy targets. One, two, three highs here. So we had a bunch of highs to target. So that's why I took longs here. We had first presented and we had news here. So news, we swept the news here, tapped into current new week opening gap, inversed it, came down, didn't take that because it wasn't in the macro, came back up one more time, inversed it, entered off the 30-second retracement, which tapped into the 1-minute order block, which was also lined up with this also this news wick. So then my stops were at the body, or I believe it was at the body low, or so either one. Let me see. So, yeah, so these were the highs that I was targeting. And then 30-second fair value gap entry, stops were just below here. And then as you can see, price cleanly delivered to the drawn liquidity. And honestly, that was like the moment I was done with shorts. I mean, sorry, done with longs, and I just wanted to see shorts on my evals. But coming in to the 10:10 macro, nothing delivered. So then I was just gonna wait for the 10:30 macro. 10:30 macro gave us nothing, honestly. Like we just inversed this, and that was against my bias, so I didn't take anything here. Didn't take. So then I was like, okay, let's just wait for the 10:50 macro. 10:50 macro, dump down, inversed all these fair value gaps. So I was like, okay, let's wait for a retracement and see if we get like an institutional order flow entry drill in this gap here. But as you can see, we cleanly inversed it, and I knew we were pretty choppy. But then we had an SMT at these highs. So as you can see, we swept at this high on NQ. The other swing got this high, so I was like, okay, let's try this short one more time here. We entered off the CISD, and we cleanly delivered straight to this 1054 low. So this seemed pretty easy to target. Got me my 1500 too on my eval. But then honestly, I was making my trade recap within this time, and I noticed we swept out. We tapped into trade open, swept AM high, inverse CISD, dump, and I'm like, okay, let's wait for the 11:30 macro and see if we tap into this inversion here. And that's exactly what we did. We tapped into, and I honestly wanted to enter here, but I just like, let's just wait for the full candle today because it was just super choppy. So then we got into one more time, internal sweep, inversion, and honestly, I felt like it was a little too deep for me, so I put a limit order right here. We tapped into, we got tapped in, and then as you can see, we are cleanly delivering. And we delivered straight through these like this low resistance lows. So easy targets, nothing too far. And overall very clean for me for the day. Just trying to like stack up my boosted fundeds again because I did blow those a couple days ago, and just try to focus on only taking trades that are like super clean to me. But yeah, decent day. Obviously it was pretty choppy, but it is what it is. Glad we were able to catch some W's for the day. I think that's everything. I will see you guys again on Thursday, Friday. Tomorrow's Friday. Peace.